This is Maggie with Music Mastery, and in this video, I'm going to be playing the snare drum part from Colliding Visions by Balmages. After I play through it, I'm going to provide a tutorial on this part so you can master it and be ready for your next rehearsal. Let's get to it! We're going to start at measure 35. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, claves, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, play. I hope that performance of this piece was helpful. Now, we're going to go through this piece phrase by phrase, and I'm going to provide some helpful tips and tricks so you can know how to practice the elements in this piece. I hope that my advice will help you master this piece for your next rehearsal. If I have any techniques that I mention that you have questions about or you're unsure of, be sure to check out our fundamental series in our lesson library. Let's get to it. So the snare drum comes in first at measure 35. The only rhythms the snare drum plays are eighth notes and quarter notes. So for the sticking, I would start off the right hand and I would play them all right, left, right. So here's measure 35. 3, 4, 1. And then alternate between them. This way, your right hand is playing quarter notes almost the whole time when you have eighth notes. So I'll play that, same measure. Watch what my right hand does when I put my left hand on my leg. Quarter notes. That's pretty cool. So we're going to stick it that way. Let's play through measure 35 to 47, a little bit slower. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, left, right. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4. So it alternates, and the sticking is always, most of the time, going to be right, right, left, right. The only difference here is if you look at measure 39, the rhythm is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. I would put beat 4 on the left hand so that in measure 40, your right hand can play on the downbeat. So measure 39 and 40, it's going to look like this. Right, left, right. Left, right. One more time. Right, left, right, rest, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. That's the only place where I would play a quarter note on my left hand as opposed to my right. When you have 2 quarter notes in a row, you could play them both right hand, or you could alternate. Measure 42, the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. So I would play that sticking right, left, right, left, right, left. You could also play right, 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 left, right, left. Doesn't really matter. That's a personal choice. Then if we look at the rest of it, until measure 47, we just have right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, rest, rest, right, right, left, right, left. Then in measure 47, we have 4 measures of rest, and then we have 4 more measures of rest where our clave player comes in. Then at measure 55, we have the same kind of deal as 35. We're going to play right, left, right, 4 and 1 and 2. So let's play through 55 to 58. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, left, right. The dynamic is going to be forte the whole time. But forte on snare drum and forte on a flute are a little bit different, so make sure you're blending in with the band. Because sometimes forte can be this, but other times forte is more like this. So make sure you're listening for balance with the band and not covering everything up. Snare drum's a cool instrument, but the rest of the band needs to be heard too. So if we look at measure 59 into 60, we have the same sticking that we have in measure 39 into 40. So we would play right, rest, left, right. So right, left, rest, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then repeat that same pattern. So then let's play through 55 to 67 down tempo, and I'll say the stickings out loud. Right, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, right, 3, 4, 1, 2, right, rest, left, right, alternating. So that was 55 to 63. 63 to the end is going to be right, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, right, 3, 4, 1, 2, right. And that is the entire piece. So the only things that are stickings that aren't played off the right hand with right hand natural sticking are going to be measure 39 and measure 59, beat 4. That's going to be a left hand. And with that is about it. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to encourage others in your section and your band. Check out MusicMastery.band so that every single person you're performing with can absolutely nail and master their parts every single rehearsal. Remember, you get up to 3 requests per month as a member. Really looking forward to helping you, and happy practicing.